In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the INKEE Gold Crow portable, waterproof photography and video light. Let's jump straight into it. So in photography, we can use flashes to generate incredible amounts of light to produce stunning photos. But in videos, it's very hard to generate that amount of light without using mains power or remaining portable. Well, that's where the INKEE Gold Crow portable photography and video light comes in. Coming in at a weight of 700 grams and a length of only 21.5 centimeters, this unit can kick out some serious power. Now before I show you this light in action, let me run through some of its specs and its key features. It comes with a built-in 71 watt-hour battery, which means when you're using this light at 100% power, it can last for approximately 2 hours. It also comes with a built-in fan to regulate the temperature of the whole unit, and charging up the battery with inside the unit is done via USB-C on the rear of the device. Removing the reflector off the front of the unit is as easy as lifting up the lock mechanism and then rotating it counterclockwise. We can now open up these three mechanisms on the front of the unit, and this turns it into a Bowens mount adapter. Operating the light and changing all of its functions is done via the universal control ring on the rear of the unit. To turn on the light and adjust its power, we turn the control ring clockwise. To decrease the power or turn off the unit, we rotate the control ring anti-clockwise. To change the colour temperature of the light, we rotate the control ring approximately 5 degrees clockwise, hold it in this position for approximately 2 seconds, and it goes into colour temperature mode. We can make the light cooler or warmer simply by rotating the control ring. If we rotate the control ring 5 degrees counterclockwise and hold it for 2 seconds, this brings up all our different function modes. Our different modes include flashing, lightning effect, TV effect, broken light bulb effect, SOS mode, camera flash effect, or fast strobe effect. And the light unit comes with a downloadable app, which means we can take control of the brightness, colour temperature, our mode, etc. via our smartphone. This is really handy if you're mounting your light unit inside a softbox and you don't want to keep opening up the softbox to change its parameters. The light also comes with 4/4 inch screw mounts around its perimeter, which means we have various ways of mounting this to cameras or accessories or to light stands. I think that's enough of the technical specifications of this light. Let's take it outside and see what it can really do. Okay, so we've come outside now. We've got the camera set up. We've got the light to the left, but it's not on. We've got a little bit of ambient light from the kitchen window, but there's very minimal light out here. Our settings are 150th on our shutter speed, aperture f2.8, and our ISO is a whopping 20,000. And now what we're going to do, we're going to switch the light on. It's going to have no reflector on it at the moment. We're going to see how much of a difference it makes. We may need to lower the ISO in a second, so let's see how we get on. Okay, so we've now got the spotlight on, the INKEE Gold Crow. We're at 70% brightness. We've got no reflector on it at the moment. We've had to lower the ISO to ISO 320. Shutter speed is still 150th and our aperture is f2.8. Right, let's stick a reflector on it and see what a difference that makes. And the first thing I noticed is it's a lot more directional. We're getting quite harsh shadows on myself, so I'm just going to bring the light a little bit to the right, just so it's a little bit more straight on. And I'm probably a little bit overexposed there, so I'm going to lower the ISO again. And so yeah, this light is very bright still. This is at 70%, so we've got a shutter speed of 150th, aperture of f2.8, and our ISO is now 160. Let's head back a little bit. Of course, it's absolutely freezing out here. But yeah, this looks, like I say, 70% on the light. What I'm going to do, I'm going to whack it up to 100% and see how that looks. Okay, that is extremely bright. Holy moly. I'm going to have to lower the ISO a little bit more because I'm a little bit overexposed still. So we're now on 100% of the light. I'm about, I don't know what, 3 feet away from the camera and the light. We're at shutter speed 1/50th, aperture f4, ISO 100. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to take off the little reflector that comes as standard with this light. We're going to put on a larger 7-inch reflector with a softbox covering. Okay, so we're at shutter speed 1/50th, aperture f4, ISO 100. We've now put the 7-inch reflector onto the light. We've also got the softbox covering over the front of it just to diffuse the light a little bit, and this is what you can expect. Instantly note my shadows are a little bit softer. What I'm going to do is take off the diffuser cover and see how it looks without it. This is a light with a 7-inch reflector, shutter speed 1/50th, aperture f4, ISO 100, and this time we've removed the diffusing cloth over the front of the reflector. And as you can see, it's a lot more harsher light, so that does really make a difference. Worth buying, I believe, that diffuser and soft light, especially if you're going to be doing any kind of interviews or vlogging style videos. But it's absolutely freezing out here now. I'm freezing my knackers off. I'm going to go back inside. Let me know your thoughts on this light down below and what you think of the power output of it, and we'll do more of the review indoors where it's a little bit warmer. So what are my final thoughts then on this light? Well, hopefully, as you've seen in the video, this portable light is insanely powerful. For its size and weight, its brightness literally blew me away. I never thought anything this small and compact could be this powerful. It's also super easy to use with a single control ring that controls all its features and its modes. The app that you download for your smartphone is also a really welcome feature that is normally not included with portable lights like this. So well done to INKEE for including this. Now there are a couple of things that I would like to see improved in future models. That's the USB-C port on the rear of the unit, as this is the only part of the light that is not waterproof. It kinda seems odd that they've not covered it over with like a rubber door or waterproof seal. The other thing you need to be aware of, and yes, the light does actually come with a warning for this, is due to the power of this light, the front of the light gets extremely hot. If you was to place the light face down on a surface after use, even with the light switched off, you could still end up damaging your surface. Now I'm not saying that I done this, but I did do this. So make sure you don't place it face down without the reflector on after use. It also would have been nice if the light unit come with 2 different size beauty dishes and diffusing covers. But does this get my recommendation? Absolutely yes. If you're in the market for a portable video or photography light, or you're struggling with flash photography or even learning flash photography, then this will be a superb bit of kit for your setup. It gets the cameraman's seal of approval. I will leave links to the light in the description below and in the top pinned comment, so go check it out. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see further videos from myself, hit that subscribe button. But that's it for now. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.